It's Bryce first road trip to USA.
Yeah. Hi, here's Bryce. And stop over kami lang. Nalagpas na kami sa US border. Etong dalawa naglalambingan. Bryce, Jacob.
Hello.
And si Bryce. Hello, baby. And si Kuya. Yan. And then we're off again. See you in a bit. Bukas din pala doon. Yung isang ganito lang may harang din siguro.
Shopping ng mga damit.
Yes, that's right.
Ni Bryce.
Bryce.
Si Bryce.
Oh, this is cute. Look, Dad.
That one is nice. Yan itong dalawa. Kulit itong dalawa. Hi, Bryce! Bata pala, marunong nang gumala.
Dapat namas. Kasi mabago siya. Ay, nagkumaga na.
Tingnan mo sa laki ng Target. Pero kaming Target dati kaso
They closed it.
na bankrupt. Ayan. Kaya, bankrupt kasi overpriced ang mga ano nila. Mga presyo niya. Oh, Jacob, ito na. Come. So, puro Beyblade ang mga. So, hanapin namin siya. Dismayado lang naman ata. Kasi, wala siyang mahanap na Beyblade. Yeah, tingnan mo. Ito, this one. This area. Let's go. Let's check. Puro Lego dito. Lego. Dito.
Lego.
Maybe this one. Ito natin. Oh, baby! Jacob boy!
Oh, yeah. It's
Oh, my dear. Look at that. You don't have that, Jacob. You don't have that.
Oh, we found a baby
Di
here.
ba? Di ba?
There's also...
Happy na naman siya.
Oh, wow. You don't have this?
Oh, Jacob! You don't have this! Ah, oh my God!
Oh, man, he's gonna spend so much on this one. Do you have that? You have this one?
Yeah, it's here.
How about this? Lance,
I already have that.
you already have this? Oh my gosh, you have
Oh
everything.
my God! Yeah, he said.
This one, there's two already and it's 14.
I already have that.
You have this?
Oh!
Yes,
Oh, you did?
bought that.
Okay.
How about this?
I want to get the one.
You have this?
Yeah.
You have that? This one? No? Are you sure?
He doesn't like Power Ranger.
No.
Huh?
That's Star Wars.
You have
Oh,
this
that's
too?
Star Wars.
You don't have both this?
Yeah, but I don't like it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have Winder from I have Wand Wizard. I have Buster Jan.
Bastard. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's all the power in the back, eh?
Yeah.
Let me see all the power in the back. Oh. Wow. And then Jacob's still gonna go to Walmart again.
He's still gonna buy for sure.
It's Jacob's day today? I thought it's mom and daddy's day today.
Yeah, but
But what?
It's Bryce and Jacob Day. Look at
Oh,
Bryce.
oh, yeah. Oh, Target kompleto to. As in, may mga pambata, grocery, mga adult, pang school supplies, mga ganon. Kompleto.
Home stuff.
Yeah. Sayang lang talaga dahil nag-close yung sa amin. Parang kasi mahal. So, yan, nakikita nyo, may mga sportswear, shoes, ano, men's, girls. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yan. Groceries, mga alahas, dami. Ang pambata. Yan, marami. Oh, Jacob, Pokemon, Jacob. May tuwang-tuwa na naman, oh. He's happy, he's happy. He got a Beyblade and he's gonna go again to Walmart. Oh my God. Yeah, why you don't want to get that one, Jacob?
It's nice.
You don't want a superhero anymore?
It's a nice shirt.
Huh? No? Okay. Si Bryce. My burger si Bryce. My So, goods na lahat. Except si Bryce. Meron nakabili din si Bryce. So, ngayon, next stop namin ay pupunta sa Walmart and then kakain.
And then
Yan na, bayad na sila. Mabayad na. Okay, tapos na ang shopping. Mga lakad-lakad. Ganda ng araw ngayon. Sarap maglakad. Enjoy namin. TJ Maxx. Yung my birthday sa next week, pero hindi ako yung nagsha-shopping. Baliktad, no? Yung TJ Maxx naman ay parang parang ukay-ukay. Yan, mga damit, mga ukay-ukay. Parang winners sa amin. Yun yung yan. Okay, can you stay with me, mommy, okay? I'm gonna go find my socks or something. T-shirt. So,
Tingnan itong dalawa. Oh. Napagod. Dalawa pa lang yung pinuntahan natin, napagod na sila. Itong magkamukhang to. Oh.
sa Walmart, USA. Oh, so many bikes, Jacob. Ito ang Walmart nila. Yan. Mas smart nila. Dilim. Kailangan mo yan sa Para saan naman yan?
Pag may party, no?
Kung may party, pwede.
Ang ganda siya, no?
Pwede.
25. Eh, dati pang 40.
Yan nga, yan yung... Ito. Laki naman ang truck mo eh.
I think we should buy it. Mura to.
Just one? Okay. Sige, kunin mo.
Drill namin tong bench na to. Ganyan itsura niya. Yan. Open lang ni Jen kung may sira or wala. Kasi, syempre, it's too far to drive back just to return this one. Although it's really good price. From 35, it's now 25. It's nice, right? Yeah. So that when we have parties or when we go to parks, we have chairs. It's a bench. Ito na ang heaven ni Jacob. Jacob's heaven. Jacob. Where is it? Come here, Jacob. Oh, ang daming laruan. Ayan, dati kinokolek niya yan. Mga monster truck. Ngayon naman, Beyblade. Ano yan, Jacob?
Oh no, it's right there.
Oh, nakahanap siyang Pokemon.
What?
Now, Jacob found the Beyblades back. Oh.
Oh, what is this?
Wait. This is the one I'm talking about. I want to get.
That's
Okay, just take it. Why you put it back? What about this? You don't have this one yet.
I already have it.
You have that one.
nice, no?
I thought you said, you know what? The Beyblade. I got Sergeant and Gail.
I thought you have that, Jacob.
And I don't have this color though.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't have this one.
Okay.
And I got Health Knife.
Oh, wow. Show me. Oh, so ito kinuha niya. Yan na, guys. Ay! Bryce. Hahanginan siya. Ayan, si Daddy. Tulungan ko siya sa mga pinamili. Wait, I'll just lock Bryce. Actually, can you put him inside first?
Dito na ako sa taas.
Guys, tulungan natin siya.
Ito.
Ito, ano yan? Tignan natin yan. Ito pa, Daddy. Okay, Daddy. Ito pa, Daddy. ready. Ayan yung kanyang mga pang-car stuff. Oh. And of course, this one. Itong heavy na to. Yan. We figure out na. Para hindi magtalsikan. Maybe you have to buhol the other ones. Ayan na. Lalagay na si Bryce. Nasoli ko na yung cart. Ayan si Baby.
Okay, ayun, kakain kami dito sa buffet. Kasi di pa kami kumakain ng lunch. Help. Come on. Thank you. Ano? Do you want sushi? It's there. Sushi. Grab sushi. Kasi yung mga pagkain, no? Grabe. Dami. Woo! Look at that. So, yun. Ano si Bryce, no? Gustong kumain. Alam mo, mga tinaob namin. Bang! Ubos! Ubos!
We're done, guys. We're gonna go swimming at our hotel. See you later.
Hello, guys. Look at Bryce. Bryce. Yes. Thank you. Oh, no. I'm good now. Yeah.
Bye. Look.
Papasok na sa hotel. Jacob boy. He's excited. Jacob boy. Ito yung hotel namin. Ito. Third floor, ah. Brycey. Oh. Third floor. Third floor. Third floor. Third floor. Brycey. Brycey, we're here. Pretty hot. You found it? Yeah. Here's our room. Finally. Open the lights. Let's open the lights. Let's open the lights. Okay, where's the fridge? 'Cause you need to put all the food.
Here, I was opening Beyblade. I got a wizard.
Can I see?
Jan.
Show me.
Buster Jan.
Oh, wow.
Steel Samurai.
Still samurai.
And
What
a
else?
wizard.
You got 3 here. Do you have more to open?
Yeah. Here, guys.
Mm.
I'm doing this one now. The 2-pack.
The 2-pack? Okay, what's inside? Hmm.
You have Sword Jan
Sword Jan. Ooh, a nice color.
and Gil. And And you.
And you.
Now let's fix them.
Okay. So how many Beyblades did you buy today? Huh? Do you know? How many? How many? 6? Oh. Okay, tas ano, ito yung nga pala yung bilhin namin sa Walmart. Yan. So, etong, ano to? Cereal, Dino Bites. And then, ito, mahilig si Jen sa noodles. Later daw, midnight snack daw. Chow mein. Ito, first time niya ito itong itatry. Mukhang spicy. Okay. What else did we get? Can you open this? Ay, hindi. Damit pala to, guys. Damit to yan. Galing sa Target naman to. Target. Where's the other ones? And then, we bought this one. Tinapay. Paborito ni Jen. Masarap to. Parang pandesal. Tas, Pringles. And then, we have this one. Peanut butter. Skippy. And then, nasa na yung iba mong binili? Ah, nilagay mo na sa fridge. Ay, mga ano lang pala to. Magta-try daw siya ng mga frozen thingy. Frozen food. Mina-microwave lang to yan. So, easy lang. And there's 3. And then, we have salads for dinner after na mag-swimming. There you go. And then, water and juice. And then, me and Jacob, we bought what? Crocs. Jacob got the Crocs.
And balances.
Yeah, New Balance. Ooh, look at that. I like this color. It's beige. Looks white, but it's actually beige.
Mommy.
Yan. May black siya, pero gusto niya na tong kulay na to. And ayun si Bryce. Nagpapahinga. No, baby? Hi, baby. And then I got a New Balance. Yay. Nakasale siya kaya binili namin. Huh? Okay, hold on. Look at this. Yan, ganyan yung sole niya. And it's blue. Wait, pakipabayas. There. See, yan siya. Magkano nabili natin dito, Han?
$70.
$70, yeah. I'm eyeing yung orange na ganito. Tas parang brown yung sole. Sa Winnipeg, ano siya, 130. Wala pang tax na, Han eh. Ito, ano lang, 50 something, 70 pala, Canadian. So, it's really nice. Ganyan siya. Yun lang. Tapos tomorrow na ulit.
Guys, we're gonna swim now in Canada Edge. Let's go!
Show the sign. Hey, we're here. Jacob boy. Take this video.
We're going in.
In. Here you go.
Who's the water park's there?
Including him.
You only have 7%. You only have 7%.
7?
Keep going.
10 or 7?
Yeah, 7% only. Get the. Go get something. Huh?
Okay.
Come on. Let's go. You gonna come with me though? You gonna come with me? You gonna come with me? Come on. You're with me, Jacob boy. Jacob boy. Whee! Close your eyes. Woo! Where are you? Huh? You fell? Oh on, Jacob. Hold on.
I can drink.
Good boy. Keep holding, Jacob boy. Keep holding. You go down? Look at how high. Like the slide. And then, yan, nilitsura niya. Kaya ka. Okay, let's go. Yeah. We're gonna go slide. Mag-slide kami. Yeah, you do 4% only, 4%. Hurry up. Yeah. Let's go. First.
Morning, Brycey. Good morning. Nakahubad kasi siya eh. Kaya hindi ko pwedeng i-video yung pototoy niya. Jimmy. Good morning. So, today ay mag-impake na kami ulit. Tapos, uwi na. Dahil Canada Day bukas. So, sarap ng tulog. Pagpahinga. Sobra na pagpahinga. Yan na. Nagbe-breakfast na si Kuya. Pancake. Egg.
Hi, Bryce. Good morning. Good morning, baby. Hi. Ito si Bryce. Are you ready to go? Bryce took a shower this morning. Well, not shower, but a bath. He's our Kuya.
Hello.
Oh. Look at Kuya's OOTD. I like your shirt and your beige Crocs partner. Right? How about Bryce? Bryce, what's your OOTD? Just a blue sleeper. See? Because it's a little cold. Right, Bryce? Windy, no? Baby? Oh, no.
I think like it's gonna be hot in Canada because it's cold here in USA.
You think so?
Yeah.
But Grand Forks is not too far from our place, though. It's only 3 hours.
No, that's long. We're at Walmart now,
Daddy doesn't have one.
and we're gonna go now.
She doesn't have money anymore.
Okay.
I see, you told you. Again?
Yeah.
Ooh, where are you?
Let's go.
Baby,
What?
ganda ng niya, no? Bagay na.
Okay, you should
Dad.
talking.
Ganda
I'm showing the view.
Blankets in the area. I really like Jacob's Crocs. I wish I had it. Jacob.
What? We're here now. We're going in. Mark.
Ang linis dito.
I am showing a view.
We're looking for that red hot dog to check. A mission, right? To find the red hot dog. So here we go. We're following Daddy's cue to see if there is a red hot dog. Because Mama, oh, it's here! There. Tingin kalasa ng tender juicy, guys. As in. How much is it? $22.12. Our mission is done. There you go. Daddy found this. Daddy saved the day again, right, Jacob?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ay, tagadit na si Bryce. Ay, tagadit na si Bryce. Alin?
Sa atin, hindi ganito. Travel lalaki.
Oo. Laki nga talaga yung mga cereal nila. Wow! Wow! Yung noodles saka chocolate, di ba nagpapabili si Melay? Papabili si Melay ng chocolate. Ang sarap maglakad-lakad kasi wala masyadong tao. Got
Vegetables.
the other way, I can't read it.
I have vegetables from Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast? You huge fan of Mr. Beast? Wala na, nagpabuhat na tong isa. Ano, pa baby mo na. Ano, gusto mo? Mamili ka na rin.
Gusto kasi niya tumingin. Yan.
Ano? Anong gusto mo? Sige. Chocolate. Gusto mo chocolate? Eh, hindi ka pa pwede. Alright, let's go for noodles. Jacob, push the cart. Yan. Let's go. Oh, meron silang Yahoo. Mas mura, oh. Oh, kay Jacob, 12 pack, oh. 7.
Jacob, oh.
Sa atin,
Daddy
pamahal-mahal
found it.
yan.
Daddy found it, baby.
Yeah. Dito kasi sa US, merong talagang maraming wala doon sa amin. Tapos yung mga deal nila kagaya no, yung Yahoo na yon, $20 or parang ano yan, 4 na piraso. Ito 12. For $7.99. Convert mo, mga $12. Diba? Good deal. Ano pa rin sila ng gano'n. Another one?
Hindi, yung pinapalitan niya. Anak, ito, oh. Ano, dami. Huwag na. Wala lang. Ayan, baka sumakit ng ngipin mo. Dami kasi ano, tinan mo. Guys, do you remember that? Pang bata ko tayo, di ba? 90s.
Ito yung isang reason kung bakit gusto kong bumalik dito sa US. Ayan, ito. 36 cents lang. Lahat na to. Ayan. Ayan. Lahat na to. So, gawin natin. Tiyatiin natin. Jacob, help me. Hold this one.
Why are we getting so many?
Yeah, it's 30 cents piece. Saulin natin yan.
Wala din ganyan sa atin.
Wala, oh.
30 cents.
Padararama, di ba?
Wala.
Pero, ano, like, not in a...
Yeah, sarap nito. Just hold it, hold it. Hold it, baby.
That's why, look,
But
Bakit? So beef tayo, nantok pala. Tapos chicken. And then we're gonna get the
why is
regular.
everything spicy?
Huh?
Why is everything
Because this is mine, that's not yours. No, I'm gonna get regular. Which one you want? You want chicken or shrimp? Beef. Beef, the one that you ate yesterday. It's nice.
I want chicken.
Huh? Here. Beef and chicken?
yung siyam na yun, spicy lahat yun, ha?
Yeah. It's okay. Kukuha tayo ng ano niya. Para sa kanya. Beef. Another chicken. Put that one there. And then shrimp. We don't need that.
No more shrimp.
Okay, there. We're good now.
As usual, guys.
You can't find
We're looking again for Beyblades.
Huh?
Always looking for Beyblades.
Come on.
Oh, really?
I'm looking for cars.
Don't lie, Jacob. I think I found it.
Uh-oh.
There you go. There's Beyblades again.
I already have them. We bought
Look.
it. I have
Yeah, it has everything.
yeah.
Oh,
Oh, naglalaro na tong dalawa. Paano ang aga pa dito sa Walmart, guys? Walang tao masyado. Kami lang. Well, besides the workers. Tingnan mo ginagawa doon. Be careful, ah. Jacob wants Bluey, Daddy?
No.
huh?
No.
No, he doesn't want Bluey.
Louis, nice.
I think they haven't, put out all the school supplies yet because we're here too early.
Have right now, Jacob?
Oh, it's here. You want Minecraft now, Jacob?
Minecraft, Jacob, oh. Oh,
Daddy,
you
what
got
do
the
you think?
lunchbox already,
You
Jacob.
just show me.
Okay, he's gonna check.
What?
Oh, it's cool. It lights up.
Because it says here.
Oh.
What?
How much is this?
That's nice. Look,
Wait,
guys.
comes with
Look, guys. It lights up. How do you do that?
Punch it in the middle.
No, punch it. You punch it.
It says stop. Oh, yeah. It lights up.
Wait, it has a keychain with it.
Yeah, it's a keychain, lunch kit, and a backpack.
Oh, here.
Oh, yeah. It's right here. It's nice. You already have a keychain. See? Check if it's really nice.
Yeah, pero sa
Oh,
kanya.
yeah. Here's the light.
You can put the lunchbox here.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Oh, it's removable, eh? The lunchbox removable. Oh, like this. See? See?
I'll get it.
And then it will fit your food.
Okay.
Oh,
Nice.
you get it?
You like it?
Oh, see? Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Or you can also put
You
here.
deserve it because you've been using your backpack for 3 years now.
Just put your
Matipid
foot
to,
here.
guys. Ayaw bumili ng backpack. 3 years na nang ginagamit yung Spider-Man niya na backpack.
Ay, ay, ay.
You like it, Baba? Yeah.
Question is,
Meron
how
sila
much?
dito. Oh, ayan. Minecraft. Bluey. Ang cute naman ng Bluey. Look at Bluey. Daddy, ang cute ng Bluey, ah. Tapos may Spider-Man din pala sila.
Give it to Ella, oh.
Oh, yeah. For her school, oh. Look.
Oh, 22. 22 siya.
Oh. Pero yan pa lang. Alright, guys. Tapos na kaming mag-Walmart. Ito si Kuya, si Daddy. He's gonna load again. And then, we're gonna go Chick-fil-A and go home. Si Daddy. Where's Daddy? Tulog pa din si Bryce. Ay, hindi. Gising na si Bryce. Gising na siya. Kukunin na siya ni Daddy. Ayan sila.
Kinuha mo ko dito mamaya.
Oh, there you go. Go inside na, Jacob. Alis na kami. Balik na kami ng... Where are we going back, Jacob? When? I mean,
Home.
where? Home. Yeah, we're going home. When we're on our way home to Winnipeg. It's gonna be just a little over 3 hours to be home. Yan, tulog si Bryce. Tumidede. Si Daddy yan ah. Daddy, ready ka na sa 3 hours? Ready ka na sa 3 hours drive? Sisiu. Yan na. Malapit na kami sa highway. So, yun lang guys. Mini ano, Jacob, no? Mini vacation lang, na, Jacob?
Yeah.
Just a day and a bit. So, what are you gonna say, Jacob?
We're gonna end the vlog now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye? Bye-bye?
See you in the next video. Subscribe and like and share and hit the bell.
Hit the bell!
Bye.
You always treat me badly.